Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to dry ashwagandha root. First, carefully harvest your ashwagandha roots from the soil, ensuring you get as much of the root system as possible. Next, gently brush off any loose dirt and debris clinging to the roots. Then, rinse them thoroughly under cool running water to remove remaining soil. Finally, trim away any small rootlets or damaged sections, preparing them for the next step. Once your roots are clean, it's time for preparation. Slice the cleaned roots into uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick. This consistency helps them dry evenly. Remember, smaller pieces will dry much more quickly. Next, arrange these root slices in a single layer on your chosen drying racks or trays. It's crucial to ensure good air circulation around each piece for optimal drying. Now for the drying process itself. You can air dry your roots in a well-ventilated, shaded area for several days. Alternatively, use a food dehydrator set between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent results. If using an oven, set it to its lowest temperature and leave the door slightly ajar to allow moisture to escape. The roots are fully dry when they snap easily, indicating all moisture is gone. After your ashwagandha roots are completely dry, proper storage is key to maintaining their potency. Store them in airtight containers to protect against moisture and air. Keep these containers in a cool, dark, and dry place, away from direct sunlight or heat. Properly stored, your dried ashwagandha roots can last for up to 1 year. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.